As a business owner, you know that sinking feeling when it's time to do payroll and you're getting lost in spreadsheets, tax forms, and employee hours. And the whole time you're thinking to yourself, did I miss something? That's exactly the problem ADP promises to solve. What's up, Mavericks? Ahmad here, and today we're breaking down what ADP is, how it actually works, and whether it's worth your time and money. So let's dig right in. Automatic data processing, or simply ADP, is one of the go-to platforms for businesses that want to outsource payroll, tax compliance, HR, benefits, and more. It's more than payroll, it's a full human capital management platform. At its core, ADP handles payroll processing, tax filing, compliance, HR and benefits, plus reporting and analytics, and it's built to scale. If you're a small shop now, you might start with ADP Run or a small business package, but as you grow, ADP offers more robust modules like Workforce Now for mid-size and enterprise needs. As you might have noticed, ADP is more than just another payroll tool. Let's break down its most notable features and how each one works in practice. ADP takes your employee data like hours, wages, and withholdings and computes gross pay, deductions, and net pay. Then it files your payroll taxes for you. In many of its plans, ADP guarantees it will pay penalties if it makes a tax filing error. Whether you have salaried employees, part-time hourly workers, or contractors, ADP has you covered, and it even supports multi-state operations. ADP has mobile apps for staff and managers. Self-service tools let employees easily find payslips, tax forms, benefits, and time off requests. Managers and administrators can approve, adjust, or run payroll from a computer or the mobile app. And if something goes wrong, ADP offers 24/7 customer support, so you're not left hanging on payday. Depending on which product you're using, you can access HR features like onboarding, document management, handbooks, compliance alerts, legal assistance, training, and background checks, and more. There's also ADP's Smart Compliance, which flags issues and helps manage filings and regulatory changes. With ADP, you don't just get a payroll run complete message, you get dashboards, benchmarks, trends analysis, and custom reports. You'll get a ton of standard reports, plus the ability to create custom ones. In more advanced tiers, you'll see predictive analytics, workforce surveys, pay equity tools, and other advanced tools. ADP integrates with accounting software, POS systems, time and attendance tools, benefits providers, HR apps, and more through the ADP Marketplace. You can also add modules as you grow. So you can start with basic payroll, then add benefits or time tracking, and then upgrade to a more advanced HR. ADP uses a custom pricing model, so you'll need to contact the company directly to get your quote. Your cost depends on factors like employee count, states you operate in, and the features you need. The hands-on pricing process isn't just an extra step, it helps you avoid paying for features you don't actually need. In addition to your quoted price, extra fees may also apply. Think implementation, setup, add-ons, and extra payroll runs. These prices really can add up, so make sure your rep walks you through what's included versus what's extra. ADP isn't perfect for everyone, but some businesses will find that ADP offers exactly what they need. Scaling businesses that are small now but expect growth would like ADP's flexibility and upgrades. Likewise, companies operating in multiple states with complex payroll or compliance needs will appreciate how ADP handles tax, regulatory, and multi-jurisdiction requirements. And any company that wants payroll, HR, benefits, analytics, and other tools in one place should definitely see what ADP is all about. But for some other businesses, ADP is overkill. If you have a very small business with few employees, the cost of ADP might not be worth it. And if you just need simple payroll, lighter options like Gusto might be the better fit. Here's the bottom line. ADP is a heavyweight in the payroll and HR world for a reason. It handles complex payroll, tax compliance, and HR features in one integrated system. If you're aiming to grow, want backing for multi-state operations, or just don't want to sweat payroll anymore, ADP delivers. But it's not a one-size-fits-all. If you're a smaller business with simple needs, you should weigh whether you need all this power or are better off waiting until later. If you want to learn more, make sure to check out our full review of ADP Payroll. I've linked it in the description. And if you're ready to get started with the quote, head to merchantmaverick.com/ADP. Don't let payroll drain your time. Let ADP do the math so you can focus on growth. And that's it from me this time, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.